Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to boost your posts on Instagram. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first, all we have to do is to open the Instagram application. And once you've opened, you're just gonna head to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Let's go ahead and tap it. And once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to your profile. As you can see, you will see the posts that you've created. All you have to do is to select for the post you'd like to boost. Say that one. As you can see, right below the picture itself, there is a button saying boost post. That is the one that we're looking for. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, all you have to do is to wait for it to load. And once it fully loaded, you will be asked which goal or what results would you like from this advertisement. You can select whichever goal you like. For this video, I will just select on more profile visits. And once you've selected that, all you have to do is tap on next. Let's go ahead and tap on next. Once you've tapped on next, you will be asked what what kind of people you like to set as target audience. You can check such as special ad category. You're required to declare if your ads are related to credit, employment, housing, social issues, elections, or politics. Just tap on that drop down. And once you've tapped on it, you will be asked to select categories. If your category is not there, all you have to do is to tap on done. And you could also select automatic. It is Instagram targets people like your followers. And if you'd like to create on your own, just tap on create your own to manually enter your targeting options. Just tap on it and manually enter your targeting options. For this video, I'll just tap on automatic. And once you're done, all you have to do is to tap on next. Once you've tapped on next, you will be asked regarding your budget, regarding the ad. You can set it to how much you like, and this affects on how often people will see your ad as well. And once you've selected on the budget, you can select also the duration. You can either run the ad until you pause it, or you could just set the duration of the time span your ad will be showing. And once done setting up the budget and the duration of the ad, all you have to do is to tap on next. And all you have to do is to confirm to boost your Instagram post. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.